Hi guys, bought this radio controlled dinosaur toy in the charity shop. It says 27 megahertz on the bottom. It only goes forwards and backwards from the looks of it, and it's got a castering front wheel so it turns in reverse. So we'll put some batteries in it and see if it works. Well, I've tried 3 other transmitters. All 27 megahertz. And it's not responding to any of them, so I guess we're going to take it apart. Disassembly looks fairly straightforward. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Just check there's none hidden under the batteries. Nope, looks like it's just those 4 screws. There's the receiver. No obvious broken wires. That's the motor. That bit there goes up inside there. I should think that makes the head move, and maybe even the tail. That's the aerial. I'll get my meter on it just to see if we're actually getting voltage up to the receiver. Don't worry too much about what the voltage actually says, because it looks like those batteries I put in it aren't very good. But if I connect one side of my meter to the on-off switch, just a convenient place to intercept the battery, and the other side of my meter to the motor, I can actually feel it's getting hot. But if I press forwards or backwards, you can clearly see that the signal's getting through and trying to make something happen. So it could just be that the motor's dead. Into there. Nope, still getting nothing. I'm going to shorten this video considerably. I just filmed myself taking the gearbox apart and all sorts because the motor appeared to be dead, but I've oiled it a little bit and now it's working. It's a bit odd because it works, it goes in one direction as soon as you put the power on. It seems to suit itself what it does. If I operate a transmitter, then it changes direction. As soon as I stop, it goes back to whatever it was doing. So it's not much of a radio control from the looks of it, unless a different transmitter would give it a different signal. But it looks like you switch it on and it goes, press a button and it comes back. So I'll put it back together and see what it's like. And all that I've done is oiled the motor. Now that I've put it back together, I can understand how it works. When we switch it on, it runs continuously and it goes round in a circle. And when you press the transmitter, it goes in a straight line in whatever direction it was last pointing. So it's a simple way of getting full control, or relatively full control, from just an on-off switch. There's something slipping in the gearing a bit because it's not smooth, but you'll see what I mean. So he turns round in a circle, you press the button and he goes straight. He turns again, press the button and off he goes, straight line. I think that's a clever solution to using really basic radio control. I'm impressed with that for its simplicity. I think the batteries are running down a bit. Oh, that's fun. I like that. So, Kid Galaxy, made in China, 2007. Great fun. Not perfect, but I'm impressed, as I say, by the simplicity of the way it works.